After the age of 60, our bodies begin to change in subtle but important ways. Every day, without fanfare or warning, a quiet loss takes place inside us. It's not something most doctors mention at annual checkups, nor is it something you'll notice right away. But this hidden loss can affect nearly every part of your health: your bones, your heart, your muscles, even your memory and mood. Today, we're shining a light on the mineral that seniors need to restore daily. A simple change, a daily habit, could help you regain energy, strength, and mental clarity. Starting now, most people think of calcium when it comes to healthy aging. Others might point to iron or vitamin D, but there's another mineral, often overlooked, yet absolutely crucial, that could be the missing link for many adults over 60. It's not a trendy supplement or a rare superfood. In fact, it's something your body has relied on for decades, and without enough of it, your health can quietly unravel. That mineral is magnesium. It might surprise you to learn that magnesium is responsible for more than 300 different chemical reactions inside your body. This isn't just a supporting player. It's an essential force behind your most vital functions. Magnesium keeps your heart beating with a steady, healthy rhythm. It helps your muscles contract and relax, so you can move with ease and avoid painful cramps. This mineral also supports memory and mood, helping you stay sharp and resilient against stress. Even your blood pressure is kept in check, naturally, by magnesium. And yet, here's a startling fact. Nearly 70% of adults over 60 aren't getting enough magnesium every day. That means most seniors are running low, often without realizing it. The symptoms can be easy to dismiss or attribute to aging, but magnesium deficiency is both common and easily addressed once you know what to look for. How do you know if you're running low on magnesium? The signs can show up everywhere, from your muscles to your mind. Do you ever wake up in the night with painful leg cramps that just won't let you sleep? Do you find yourself tossing and turning, struggling to get a restful night's sleep? Maybe you've noticed feeling more anxious than usual, or you've become more forgetful, misplacing keys, losing track of conversations, or simply feeling mentally foggy. Unexplained fatigue that lingers no matter how much you rest, or an irregular heartbeat that feels unsettling, can also be clues. If any of these symptoms sound familiar, magnesium deficiency could be the hidden reason. The good news is that you don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines to get more magnesium. In fact, some of the world's healthiest foods are also the richest sources of this essential mineral. Take pumpkin seeds, for example. Just one handful can deliver nearly half of your daily magnesium needs. These tiny seeds are easy to sprinkle over oatmeal, salads, or even yogurt for a satisfying crunch and a powerful health boost. Leafy greens like spinach are another magnesium powerhouse. You can toss a generous handful into a quick stir-fry, blend them into a smoothie, or add them to soups and omelets. Not only do they support your magnesium levels, but they're also loaded with other nutrients that benefit your bones and heart. Nuts such as almonds and cashews are smart snacks for seniors. They're portable, affordable, and a delicious way to protect your bones. A small handful between meals can help curb hunger and give you a steady source of energy throughout the day. Black beans and other legumes are another excellent source. They're not just good for your heart, they also support gut health and provide lasting energy. Try adding them to salads, soups, or as a side dish at dinner. And yes, there's even room for a little indulgence. Dark chocolate, when chosen wisely, can be surprisingly rich in magnesium. Just a few squares of high-quality dark chocolate can not only lift your mood, but also support your brain and memory. So, how can you easily boost your daily magnesium intake? The answer is simple. Add just one magnesium-rich food to every meal. You might sprinkle pumpkin or sunflower seeds over your breakfast cereal. Swap out potato chips for a handful of nuts as a midday snack. Include a serving of leafy greens or black beans with your lunch or dinner. These small changes add up, nourishing your body throughout the day. Of course, sometimes it's difficult to get enough magnesium from food alone, especially if you have certain health conditions or dietary restrictions. In those cases, it's worth talking with your doctor about a gentle magnesium supplement. The right supplement and dose can help improve sleep quality, boost your energy, and even keep your blood pressure in check. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you're taking medications or have chronic health concerns. Magnesium is the quiet protector of your health. Unlike flashy trends or miracle cures, it works in the background, making sure your body's most important systems run smoothly. It helps preserve bone strength, maintain a calm mind, and support a healthy heart. 3 pillars of healthy aging. When magnesium starts to slip away, these foundations can weaken. But by restoring magnesium through simple daily habits, you can fortify your body and mind, helping you enjoy more of life's precious moments. Imagine waking up with fewer aches and pains, falling asleep peacefully and waking refreshed, finding it easier to remember names, dates, and happy memories, enjoying steady energy to walk, garden, or play with grandchildren. All of these are possible when you give your body the magnesium it needs. Don't let this vital mineral slip away unnoticed. Take a moment today to look at your meals, your habits, and the small changes you can make. Add back magnesium, and your body will thank you, not just with stronger bones and muscles, but with a calmer mind, a steadier heart, and a longer, healthier life. Remember, it's never too late to make a positive change. By restoring this hidden mineral, you're investing in every tomorrow,